Hi, what's up Anchor coin holder? What's going on? Today video is going to be very special for all Anchor coin holder, because remember the Anchor coin price will pumps up in last 3 days. My friend, you can see here after October 1 to October 3, as you can see here. So the price is completely moving upward. Today we will predicate this coin, my friend, and we will discuss, my friend, the recover. Can they will recover all the lost which they were lost, my friend, in last month? And my friends, can they will pump up in upcoming days, and can they will give you a profit in upcoming days? And what's my opinion? So please, this video is very important. So now subscribe this channel if you want to earn money from crypto. Subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. Anchor coin, my friend, you can see here while starting moving upward. As you can see here, this time the resistance line, my friend, you can see here the white dot line. You can see, my friend, this is the resistance line. So definitely the price will never fails down from resistance line, and if they were fails down from resistance line, so that's mean to they are lost, but they will never lost. So that's clear, my friends. So they will completely on the profit. For one thing, my friend, more in the start of month, every coin were very badly fails down, but it's time, my friend, you can see here this time Anchor coin will never lose. So that's mean, my friends, to short time investor were never starting selling. So this is the short doubt, my friend, of a holder. So therefore I want to clear now, my friend. In this time I am 100% sure to in the first week of this month they will completely move upward, and after that I don't know, my friends, so they will fails down or they will move upward. But we will also need, my friends, to predicate again now after, my friends, 3 days. So kindly you will need, my friends, to subscribe this channel. Keep touch with us. I am 100% sure to if I will guide you, so you will never lose, my friend. This time you can see here after this fails, after this short fails, they will again starting pumping up. So one thing more, my friend, sometimes they were face down like that, so short term investors are doing very huge mistake. They are starting selling. So if you are starting selling, so they were, my friend, again more and more fails down. So therefore I want to tell you to please, if they were fails down for a short time, so don't worry. After a short fall, they are also, after a short fails, they will also take a very huge jump. So therefore I know to in upcoming time they will more and more moving upward. See you next time, Anchor coin holder. My prediction is 100% going positive. My opinion is to please hold. What's your opinion? Share it in the comment box. See you next time. Allah Hafiz. Take care.